Thutha wa riendekithia ria muthenya wa ira riria riratigire aruti wira matanyihiire 750 kambuni-ini ya East African Portlands na haho ya kurwo ni mawira mao, riu mwihoko wao ni uriukite thutha wa kambuni ino kwanirira guteaniria itua riri. Kuhitukira ndumiriri iria irekereirwo ni murugamiriri munene wa ihinda Stephen Thei, aruti wira aya no mabe mathumire kwa ihinda riu kambuni ino ikianirira kwamba guteaniria notithi ino mugaru na riendekithia ria muthenya wa ira riria ringiratigire itena ria mbere ria kufuta wira aruti a wira amwe riahanika mweri-ini wa kanana.
Now that company has been suffering. Of course, there has been also a lot of mismanagement in that company. Some of the salaries that are paid here, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked at the salary of some of the people earn there in relation to the job they do.
Kuri uwo ciuria cia kana aruti wira aya ni mekurwo ni mieke yao ya mawira iri oho, kuona minister wa iganda Peter Munyani arekirite mikonde ikinya riri.
It's a restructuring strategy that in the long run will help this company survive. Otherwise, if it doesn't do that, it is on its deathbed.
Na muthia mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niathiete na mbere kuha aigithia kuma gicigirira kia Barbados iguru rigie kuigithia guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na Kenyatta, thirikari ni ihotete kwagirithia riera ria uigithia bururi-ini undu ria ugitigirira uigithia wothe ni wa matha umithio mukinyaniru.
We talked about how we would be able to push together, especially in terms of shipping logistics. How can we take advantage of our respective locations to boost that business for the benefit of our people? We also discussed the opportunities with Blue Economy. We discussed the opportunities for trade and investment in areas of marine tourism. Kenya, like Barbados, has a heavy reliance on tourism as well. We're both mature tourism destinations, and we believe that there are partnerships in training, in product development, and also in investment.
Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria, njitagwo Waitherero wa Kamau.